In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually set existing contacts as marketing contacts in Hubspot. This guide is essential for anyone looking to optimize their marketing efforts using Hubspot's robust platform. We'll walk through a straightforward process that will allow you to reclassify your existing contacts effectively, ensuring your marketing reach is maximized. Let's start by navigating to the Hubspot homepage. Once you're there, find and click on the Login button. This will direct you to the login page where you can enter your credentials to access your account. Logging in gets you one step closer to accessing your contact management tools. After successfully logging in, you'll land on the Hubspot home interface. This is your dashboard where you can manage all your contacts, marketing activities, and more. You'll want to head over to the CRM section, which stands for Customer Relationship Management. Click on CRM and you will be taken to a space dedicated to managing your contacts. Once in the CRM area, it's time to select the contact you wish to categorize. Browse through your list of contacts or use the search function to find a specific one. Once you have located the contact, click on their name to view more details. Now it's editing time. Near the top of the contact's details page, you will see an edit button. Clicking this button will allow you to modify various properties associated with the contact. It's crucial to ensure you have the correct contact selected before proceeding. With the editing window open, you'll see an option titled Select a Property to Edit. Click on this and a drop-down menu will appear featuring all editable properties for the contact. We are focusing on marketing-related properties to classify the contact appropriately. The next step is to click on Edit Contact Properties. This action opens up a new window where you can adjust different fields. Here is where you set the contact as a marketing contact. Scroll through the properties and update the marketing contact status. Make sure to save your changes to ensure the classification takes effect. And there you have it, you've just learned how to manually set your existing contacts as marketing contacts in HubSpot. This process helps ensure your marketing strategies are directed toward the right audience and helps you make the most out of HubSpot's tools. Whether you're fine-tuning a massive campaign or just getting started, understanding how to manage your contact list is a key skill in maximizing your marketing potential. Thanks for watching and happy marketing.